Welcome to the PIMS Delicacies. Today's menu is fish stew. Let us start by unlocking the benefits it has for a long-lasting, healthy life. Stay tuned. Firstly, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish can improve brain function, enhancing creativity and focus. Secondly, incorporating fish into your diet can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, ensuring you have vitality and energy. Thirdly, omega-3 and lycopene in tomatoes can help combat depression and anxiety, promoting a positive mindset. Also, the presence of antioxidants in fish and tomatoes promotes healthy skin, giving you radiance and confidence. Lastly, the combination of fish's essential nutrients and tomatoes' vitamin C boosts your immune system, ensuring consistent productivity. Let us now dive straight into cooking of our fish stew. These are the ingredients.
One love for my people, about a butt. So my people die every day, just like that. Shitty mess everywhere because of this, I'm back. Fake words, this cowards fake love, this is crazy, I see. Many years gone bad and dreams are dying on me. No, this has gone to another whole level. Chimba karuere, chimba karuere, bing, no. Chimba karuere, wa. Ils ont dit faut dialoguer. Tant d'autres choses dans mon pays là, je suis fatigué de ce genre de vie là. Pourquoi c'est compliqué? My people don't suffer, so una prayer for we, oh, prayer for we, una prayer for we, oh, prayer for we, oh, una prayer for we, prayer for we, una prayer for we, oh. Prayer for we, oh, I'm a butterbot, mama a butterbot, baba a butterbot, bunga a butterbot, I'm a butterbot, mama a butterbot, baba a butterbot, bunga a butterbot, sote, bunga a you, bazatu, Derma kwanga zugo, tegena, oh. Mama king of Amanda, shima fugo, piebazia, baba wa boyamo, shima fugo, motopia, bazia. Una prayer for you. Prayer for we, una prayer for we, oh, prayer for we, oh, una prayer for we, prayer for we, una prayer for we, oh, prayer for we, oh, I'm a butterbot, butterbot. I'm a butterbot. Prayer for we, prayer for we, una prayer for we, oh, prayer for we, oh, una prayer for we, prayer for we.
This is so yummy. Enjoy your meal. Keep watching. Your surprise is just at the corner. Surprise is
Speaking, hey,
about, eh. One love for my people, about. So my people die every day, just like that. CD mess everywhere because of this and that. Fake words, this cowards fake love, this is crazy, I see. Many years gone bad and dreams are dying on me. No, this has gone to another whole level. Chimbaka buwere, chimbaka butaka beng, no. Chimbaka buwere, wa. Ils ont dit faut dialoguer, Tant d'autres choses dans mon pays là, je fatigué le genre de vie là. Pourquoi c'est compliqué? My people don't suffer, so una prayer for we, oh, prayer for we. Una prayer for we, oh, prayer for we, oh. Una prayer for we, prayer for we. Una prayer for we, oh, prayer for we, oh. Ami about. Mama about, baba about, bongo about, Ami about, Mama about, baba about, bongo about, Sote, bongo mbagane yo, bazatu, Bermbo kwangazo, Tigana, oh. Mama king of Amanda. She must be, Baba wa boyamo. She must be, Motopia, Baze. Una prayer for you, prayer for we. Una prayer for we, oh. Prayer for we, oh, una prayer for we, prayer for we, una prayer for we, oh, prayer for we, oh, Ami about, about, Ami about. Una prayer for we, oh, prayer for we.